So on this airdrop, the best way to earn much on this airdrop is if you have this auto robot. This auto robot that you can see here, this auto robot. So this robot can do a lot of things for you automatically. So by so it's match, you can see everything is automatically working like this, is automatically. So and here, this is where you see your the current points that you have. So when it gets to this place, I'll get to a new league. I'll get to a new league. And this is also my team working. So our group is already on new league, which is the good league. So these are the minds that we're going to share later. I don't know how they'll do that one. So these are the numbers of players. So you can see everything is working automatically currently. Automatically. So like I don't really need to do anything. So how did I make this possible? How did I purchase this auto robots? How did I purchase it? So it requires fee to purchase it. I think they charge uh let me see, they charge 4,000 fish. So this fish is like a fee. So I bought the fish. So as a new person, if you want to purchase, they give you double to purchase. So I bought this 1,500 fish, and they gave me times two. If you check here, you see that it's times two. So then I was able to purchase the fish and the automatic. I think automatic is 4,000. It cost 4,000 fish. So I think that's what I do. So I also purchased this one, and then after that again, there are some tax. If you know that you don't have the money, it's not a must to purchase. If you don't have the money to purchase, you can just come to all this place like this one now. So I can receive this one now. Probably I invited someone today, and daily purchase, you can just, if you purchase, so you can receive this too. So you can visit their website every day. Just click here, then just click like this, then you can go back. So can you see? So you receive the fish too. So you also come to this part here, different things. They join the channel, blah blah blah. Then you can retweet this every day and receive too. So you can also come here to receive check-in daily. If you do check-in daily, so I've checked in 3 times, and you can also receive this. So invite friends anyhow, premium friends. So anyhow you wish to do the update, so you can just be doing it like that. So what I'm saying in essence is that you can decide to purchase fish and then use the automatic. You can see automatically everything is, so as it's accumulating. So this thing here is what it's using to match all this is like a fee that it's using to match this. So as it's matching, you are earning every day, and as it's match the same cards, you get higher cards. Each card has more amount that's produced for you. You can see a lot of cards. Everything is working automatically now. So it has already opened 15, 16, 17. So 18 cards is still locked. So you can see what it earns per second, unlike the one card only earn plus 3 per second, so it earns very low. So as the card increases, the earning also increase. For example, if I start using this one, is currently locked, this now I'll be earning million of the points per day. So do you understand that now? So this is the amount of fish. So you can also come here to do some tax here, and then you can do this open box. You can earn fish, you can earn other rewards if you are lucky. So you can just earn them here too. So these are other things you can do. I'm not sure if you will be able to meet up and you'll be able to withdraw, but you might be lucky. That's why I say you might. So you don't start asking questions. Oh, I've reached this stage, I've not been. So just have it in mind. You might be locked. So that way you should have in mind. So you can just spin like that. You can see. So here now they are giving me that I have 19 blah blah blah, but I'm not sure I'll be able to claim this because the requirements might be much. So here also you can see your asset. You can see this kitty, see the amount of fish I have. So I think later in the airdrop you can see, you can also gain this from the spin. So from that spin also you can gain a lot of things from the spin. So let me leave this page now. So what you need to understand in this is that you match cards here, the same cards to each other. So the same, as you are matching the cards, then you earn this point here, you earn points. So the points automatically moves to this part here. So this is where you see your earning. Before I was here like few days ago, like let me say 3 days ago, before I bought the fish. So I was here. So now I'm here now. I don't do anything on the platform, everything works automatically. So I believe when the airdrop time comes, so we'll also be rewarded. So you can also come here to fish, but this place is very risky. I won't advise you to try it. So when you click on this, so it fish automatically for you, but you are going to spend like 84 fish to try your luck on this place. So you might win. I've seen someone that win like 2,000 fish. So but I won't try that for now, because the first time I tried it I lost the 84 fish and I don't try it again. So you can see, so this is the shop here where you can buy the fish. So this costs very less, maybe like $0.9. And again, this part here, this check daily purchase, I can just do it now so you see it. So daily purchase costs, oh sorry, not daily purchase, daily check-in. Okay, I've done my daily check-in today. So this daily check-in, so I've done it. So I got 30 fish. So don't forget the achievement. You see your daily check-in, then you can receive if you have any reward on it. So that's just it about the platform. It's as easy as that. So for now we're all mining and gathering points. So when the time of airdrop comes, then we'll know the allocation everyone is going to receive. So here is where you can invite friends. Through this place here. So that's just it, as simple as that. So I used to get notification here. You can see notification of I bought fish here. So I claimed reward. So you can see that. Can you see the notification? 600 fish. So just like that, it is as easy as that. So can you see here now, they are telling me to use 100 fish to double my points. Should I take this point or spend 1,000 fish to double my points and collect this whatever? So it is my decision now to, if I purchase fish and I claim it, or anyhow I wish, I can just claim this one for free. I don't need to purchase anything. So the platform, you can purchase and faster, or you can just be claiming the free normally, manually, but just that it can be very fast like other. But because I don't have time to come here every day and I can afford the amount they ask for, and I believe that in the future I will gain more than that, so that's why I spent that amount. So thank you for listening and for watching.